はい、こんにちは。はい、皆さん、こんにちは。マカラと申します。今日もよろしくお願いします。សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងគ្នាខ្ញុំបាទមករាហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើការចែករំលែកនៅវីដេអូតទៅថ្ងៃមុនតោះកុំឲ្យខាតពេល日本語を勉強しましょうね。大酒ស្រាアルコールតោះទៅមើលរ៉េទាំងអស់គ្នា今日は車で来たからお酒を飲めません今日は車で来たからお酒をsorry すみませんお酒は飲めませんថ្ងៃនេះជិះឡានមកដូច្នេះមិនអាចផឹកស្រាបានទេ I drove today so I can't drink any alcohols I drove today so I can't drink any alcohols okay and then show you đặc sử yêuឬក៏ថយ shoes これは醤油をかけて食べてくださいそれは醤油をかけて食べてくださいម្ហូបនេះសូមដាក់ទឹកស៊ីអ៊ីវហើយញ៉ាំ Please put some tofu on that before eating it Please put some tofu on that before eating it. Okay, and then butter. Butter, it is mean that butter. ប៉ាំងនេះ butter を塗ってあげましょうかប៉ាំងនេះ butter を塗ってあげましょうかតើឲ្យខ្ញុំជួយលាប bơ លើនំប៉័ងទេ So I spread some butter on your bread. So I spread some butter on your bread. Achi រសជាតិ achi គឺរសជាតិ taste それはどんな味ですかそれはどんな味ですかតើម្ហូបនោះមានរសជាតិយ៉ាងម៉េច What flavor is that What flavor is that nị gai នឹងគឺល្វីងនị gai គឺល្វីងនị gai គឺល្វីង bitter それはその薬はどんな苦くないថ្នាំនេះមិនសូវល្វីងទេណាこの薬はどんな苦くないថ្នាំនេះមិនសូវល្វីងទេ That medicine isn't too bitter That medicine isn't bitter okay and then masui មិនឆ្ងាញ់អត់ឆ្ងាញ់ទេ bad masui この薬はやめた方がいいまずいからហាងនេះមិនគួរហាងនេះគួរបាត់ទៅមកហូបមិនឆ្ងាញ់ទេនៅគឺអូសមីម៉ាសែននេះគឺមីសេច្រឡំដាក់គឺសេរីជាស្រ័យនេះគឺមីសេគឺហាងដាក់គឺសេរីខុសហើយសុំទោសណាこの店はやめた方がいいですまずいですからហាងនេះគួរតែបាត់ទៅមកហូបអត់ឆ្ងាញ់ទេ we should avoid this place it's terrible Ryori នឹងគឺម្ហូបណា Ryori ម្ហូបcooking 彼女は料理が得意です彼女は料理が得意ですនាងពូកែធ្វើម្ហូប She is spirit cooking 食事ការញ៉ាំអាហារឬក៏ meal 食事の前に手を洗いましょう食事の前に手を洗いましょうតោះលាងសម្អាតដៃមុនពេលញ៉ាំអាហារ Let's wash our hand before eating. Let our wash hand before eating. Okay, lunch នឹងមកអាហារពេលថ្ងៃមកពី lunch. Hotel でランチをするのもいいですね。Hotel でランチをするのもいいですね。ទៅញ៉ាំអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅសถานที่ក៏ល្អម្យ៉ាងដែរ Having lunch at the hotel would be great too. Having lunch at the hotel would be great too. Okay, great. And then ឈឺហាងការញ៉ាំអាហារពេលល្ងាចឬក៏ Okay dinner 今日の夕飯は何がいい show no ยือหางว่านั่นนี่กะอีตามาหบเอาไว้ละออเตอร์สำหรับอาหารเป็นยังไง What would you like to have for dinner What would you like to have for dinner Okay so phía này hay復習日本語と英語だけね OK お酒アルコール今日は車で来たからお酒は飲めません I drive today so I can't drink any alcohol show you soy sauce please put some soy sauce on that before eating it butter bitter パンにバターを塗ってあげましょうか So I spread some butter on the bread Aji taste What flavor is that? What flavor is that? Nigai bitter That medicine isn't to the better bitter まずい bad この店はやめた方がいいまずいですから We should avoid this place It's terrible Ryori cooking 彼女は料理が得意です彼女は料理が得意です She and expert cook 食事 meal 食事の前に手を洗いましょうねLet's wash our hand before eating. Okay, lunch. Hotel de lunch のするものいいですね。Having lunch at hotel should great too. Having lunch at the hotel would be great too. Okay, 夕飯 dinner. 今日は夕飯は今日の夕飯は何がいいWhat would you like to have for dinner? What would you like to have for dinner? Okay, so this finish. はい、お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様でした。バイバイ。